How to start on Fiverr with no experience. Now, if you want to start a freelancing on Fiverr but have zero experience, don't worry. I'll show you exactly on how to get started step by step, even if you're a total beginner. Let's dive in. Basically, first things first, you have to identify your skill. First, think about what you're good at or what you enjoy doing. Can you write, design, edit videos, create logos, or even do voiceover? Don't worry. If you don't feel like an expert, start with the basic services and improve over time. If you're not sure, look at Fiverr's category to spark ideas. That's a market for simple gig, like data entry or social media post creator. From there, you can head over to the second step, which is creating your own Fiverr account. So you want to head over to the official Fiverr website right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the join button. Right after that, you have options like continue with Google, email, Apple, or Facebook. Just go ahead and select one of these options right here. Right after creating your account, you want to research gigs in your niche. Search Fiverr for a similar gig in the category that you want to work in. For example, if you're offering logo design, check what other sellers offer and what price. Take note of the top seller, gig, description, packages, and keywords. They're your blueprint for success. So you can just head over to Fiverr right here, and once inside, you have different categories like programming and tech, graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, and more. Just go ahead and click your category. Go ahead and find your own blueprint, and you should be good to go. And so, it's time to create your first gig. You want to be clear and concise with your title, like I will design a professional logo for your business. Use keyword clients searched for to optimize your gig. Write a detailed description explaining what client will get, and structure it with the bullet points for clarity. Add 2 to 3 pricing tiers: basic, standard, and premium, with increasing levels of service. Finally, upload your examples of work. If you don't have any yet, create samples for free to showcase your skill. This is really important because this is what your client is going to look at. If you don't have any portfolio, you are not getting any client on Fiverr. Now, as an example, let's go ahead and look at one of the clients right here. Click on the character animation category. Let's go ahead and open this profile. And as you can go ahead and see, they have a lot of gigs where clients can take a look at. Heading over to the next step, which is offering competitive pricing. As a beginner, start with lower prices to attract your first clients. For example, offer your basic package at $5 to $10. This strategy helps you build reviews quickly. Once you've gained a few 5-star ratings, you can gradually raise your prices. From there, you can then promote your gig. Don't just wait for clients to come to you. Share your gig on social media, forums, or niche group where your target audience hangs out. You can also use Fiverr's built-in buyer request feature to pitch your service directly to your clients looking for freelancers. You want to make sure that you deliver quality work. When you land your first order, go above and beyond to impress your clients. Deliver on time, communicate clearly, and follow instructions carefully. Happy clients often leave glowing review, which will boost your profile. From there, you then want to keep improving. As you gain experience, refine your gig and update your samples. Learn new skills to expand your offerings, and Fiverr is complete. You want to go ahead and be persistent with your quality service. You can grow your freelancing career. And that's it. And so, once again, to go ahead and make or get your first client, all you have to do is to make sure that you have an astounding profile. Make sure that you have free samples where clients can go ahead and take a look at. Once again, you can just head over to one of your categories right here. For example, if you're into website development, just head over to website development. View one of the top creators right here. And inside, just go ahead and review their profile, what makes them stand out, and more. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one, and as always, thank you.